How to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. Hey everybody, in this video, I'll show you how to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. To start, open your Instagram application in your mobile device. Once on Instagram, tap on your profile on the bottom right. Then tap on the three horizontal lines on the upper right this time, and then click on Settings. Once on Settings, click on Privacy. Then in here, go to Story. Once you are in Story, tap on Close Friends. Now add some close friends for your Instagram profile. Just give them a check and then tap on Done. Then in here, go back. Now the next step is to click on your profile to add a story. Then in here, choose anything. Then post the story as is. Then in here, select Close Friends option and then search for a username so that you will be able to add this to your close friends list. Tap on it, then click on Share. Now share the story with a close friend. We're doing this so no one else could view the story, but then we could add this to our highlights. Now tap on Share and then make sure you tap on Add to Highlights. Then you can create a name. Then tap Done. Now refresh your Instagram timeline. And then when you look at your story highlights, you should see a highlight already there. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.